very short in terms of its response. Now, for the sympathetic, again, everything's coming out of the cord. And if we have our sympathetic trunk ganglia involved, which again are right beside the cord, that means you've got a very short preganglionic, but a much longer postganglionic fiber. Same thing down here, except now we're going to one of those collaterals. So the preganglionic fiber and the post, relatively same length. It's not distinctly short versus distinctly long, okay? And again, called collateral. Again, lots of branching, not showing on here, but the end point is that you can stimulate a lot of effectors at one time. The other thing is that we do have ACH released here at the level of the collateral ganglia or the sympathetic trunk ganglia, but again, at the effector norepinephrine, okay, for a much more prolonged response. And then the last part is what I was just talking about, the adrenal medulla. Sits on top of the kidney. So we've got a long nerve that comes out called the splanchnic nerve, which is basically the preganglionic nerve, and then that causes adrenaline to be released into the blood. And then those two compounds, epinephrine and norepinephrine, go through the body, and then they again activate the activate the sympathetic response. All right, so that's the autonomic nervous system. All right, so does anybody happen to have a thought here on this? That last picture really is the basic summary of everything. Anybody got any kind of a question at all? All right, so here are your homeworks for the